Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be making the very popular garlic chicken. It goes very well in a curry garlic. So what you're going to need is 2 teaspoons of oil, a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, onions and peppers cut finely Bhuna style, which I'll show you how to do. Again, all of this will be on the description below, all the pre-prep stuff. So you need 1 teaspoon of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of our desi style spice, which is just mixed powder, 5 to 6 pieces of chicken tikka, half a pint of base gravy, 1 clove of garlic cut up, 1 tomato just cut into half, quarter, 2 sprigs of coriander. Again, like I said, the gravy, the chicken tikka, the tomato puree, garlic, ginger, onions and peppers, all in the description below on how to make it. Going to need a couple of teaspoons of oil, so I'll put 1 tablespoon, which is about a couple of teaspoons oil. So I'll put the gas low because we're going to put the garlic in first, and the garlic, it cooks very quickly, so it can burn very quickly. So what you want to do is you want to put it on low gas, let the garlic cook very slowly. So about 1 clove should do it. If you like a really garlicky, put a couple of cloves in there. So we're just going to get that in there. And you see it's just frying nicely. So you just got to be very quick. Once it's gone golden, just start putting the other things in. So as you can see, it's gone golden. Just as soon as it gets golden, you want to start putting your onions in. So this is your Bhuna onions. And then you want to mix it around. Let the onions caramelise for a little bit. To speed up the process, you could put a little bit of salt, but I personally don't. Just salt in the other pre-cooked stuff, so I don't need that. So yeah, you want to make sure the garlic doesn't stick at the bottom. If it's starting to stick, just add a little bit more oil, which would just help keep it more, keep it getting stuck to the pan. So after a couple of minutes, it's caramelized nicely. What you want to do is add a couple of teaspoons of your desi style mixed powder. Okay guys, so once you've done that, you can put a little bit of tomato puree. And you've got some garlic and ginger, which I should have really put a little bit before, but I mean, it doesnn't matter. It's not going to be a huge problem. Right, now let that cook in. I should have really put it before the spices, but it's not going to make a massive difference. Okay, so the next step is going to be your chicken tikka. I'll put 5, 6 pieces. I'm only going to put 4 because it's a demo, but like I said, you could add more or add less. It's up to you. Yeah. So you just kind of let the spices marinate into the chicken. After a couple of minutes, you want to add your base gravy now. It's got about half a pint of base gravy. And then you just mix it in. Before you dish it up, you just want to get some coriander and just at the end, put a little bit of coriander in, let it cook in for about a minute or so. Gives that just that different flavour of the coriander. So at the end, you just want to get a tomato. And what you want to do is just cut 2 small pieces like that. Some people could add more. And then towards the end, you just want to chuck them in. You want to do it at the end. If you do it at the start, they're all going to melt. Just at the end, you just want it to put in, and you just want to leave it cooking for like a minute, no longer than that, with the tomatoes in, otherwise it's just going to melt. And then you just want to add a sprinkle of coriander for decor. So there you have it, a garlic chicken.